Today, Jen and I are gonna try out the no hands baking challenge. We're gonna bake some cupcakes here using everything except our hands. And the recipe is from a friend of ours, the Scran line here on Tastemade. We're doing some sour lemon cupcakes. Ready, friend?
No.
First thing that's going in is the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt.
Okay. I did it.
Come on! Look at this. Majestic.
Okay.
Move.
It's cramping out.
Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Nailed it. No.
Let's get the bowl out.
What bowl?
This bowl.
Oh, Jen, do you have a PhD? You are a genius. Look at this now.
There you go. What's next?
Salt. Oh, I ran into trouble when I used
With the
them.
teeth.
Put it in there. Your turn now. You gotta get up there.
If you hold it down,
I hold what down?
the bowl, if you like face it towards me.
Yeah, use that same leg.
Yep.
Hold on. Okay. Turn mixer on low speed. Allow it to mix everything for a couple of minutes.
Okay.
And
The other way.
Ha-ha! We're baking. Forearm high five. Add the softened butter. You bite it, and I'm gonna use the elbow. Oh, or that, yeah. Gentle. Oh. You sure like me?
Just a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Wrist. Use the wrist. Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next, add the milk, eggs, yogurt, and oil. And I'll do the yogurt. I need a spoon for the yogurt. All of these utensils will have to be washed, Jen. I got a bunch.
Yeah, I got your back.
Here I come.
Here, I'll hold
I had
the.
a bad foot cramp.
There we go. And I'll lift it.
Let me go again. Let me go again. Okay, nice. Yogurt done. Eggs. Did you do the oil?
Oil?
Yeah, oil.
Oh no.
Where's that oil in that?
That's good for the skin.
You can do an egg each.
Yeah, I think we need to do the mouth for that. Was that easy?
Yeah, pretty easy. Did it go good? Hey, your torsi's in there.
Oh shit. Okay.
You got a washing machine? Oh, why is there a hair on your foot?
It's not working.
I thought you said Filipino subject dexterity. Oh, Jesus, toast. I think that's good. I think a little bit of crunch is fine.
Yeah, that's great.
Everything has to be washed. Okay, final ingredients. We're gonna do a little
Lemon.
bit. Yeah, lemon. Do you want to squeeze the lemon?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna do the vanilla. Shoot, it went on my.
Oh. I used my tongue. I'm sorry, Julie.
I think that's okay because your feet were in it, so I think we're about as close as we can get as friends.
It tastes good, pretty good so far.
The
batter. There you go. Keep
I'm
going.
losing grip. I'm losing grip. No! Oh, my toe crack. I'll be your lever. Where are we going? Yes. Yeah. All right, mix it. Mixy Dixie.
Sorry. There you go.
Ow.
Does that look good?
I know, it's great.
Okay. Nice. Those will bake nicely.
So good.
We'll get a good rise.
Okay, so now you want to bake your cupcakes in a 350-degree oven until they're cooked.
Let's do it.
All right, so we have cleaned up, got everything under control. Things got a little bit out of hand.
Just a little bit.
Fun.
Check that out. Not bad.
I think they look great. So we baked them for about 15 minutes, I would say, and then we let them cool. So I made some icing in advance, just a regular standard buttercream, added a little lemon extract and some, oh, pardon me, and some food.
You got
So,
it. There you go.
We're gonna get rid of the ice, and I think we should do it one at a time because I think we're each gonna have different styles. So,
Right.
do you want to go first?
Sure.
Let's see what you got. Oh, bicep it. Oh, flex the guns. Oh, Jennifer.
Look at that.
That's legit.
I am
That
very
works so well. I'm going a different route altogether.
Oh, get it? There you go. Snaking it out like a pro.
I had a hard time getting consistent.
I think that looks
Okay, your next
beautiful.
one.
Oh! Look at that.
All right, you guys. Well, that was something else.
Are we not tasting these?
I'm 100% not putting any of these near my mouth.
I'll take it for the team. I'll take the dangler.
Are you sure?
It was lovely.
My whole foot was in there. Your whole foot was in there. Thank you guys for watching. This is a weird challenge. I hope we never have to do it again. Thank you so much. Great job, Jen.
Yeah.
Super
That
duper.
we're going.
High five. And then around, and we're now friends.